throwback breakfast recipe today. So I'm going to be making vanilla waffles. So this is a great staple, and you can continue to add little bits and pieces to this recipe to make it your own. So what I'm going to be using is 1 scoop of the vegan vanilla protein powder. I've got 1 cup here of flour. I've got 2 eggs. I'm going to use a little drizzle, so about 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I've got 2 tablespoons of melted butter, but you can also substitute that for coconut oil depending on what you prefer. And I've got 1 cup here of coconut milk. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chuck all my ingredients into this bowl and give it a whisk until it's nice and combined and there's no lumps in my mixture. And then I've got my little waffle maker here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour approximately half a cup to a cup of mixture into my waffle maker, close it, and cook each side for about 1 to 2 minutes until it's nice and golden. Now you can top it with whatever you like. I'm going to get a little bit fancy today and put some ice cream, maple syrup and all my favourite berries on there. So I hope that you will love this recipe.